Canon A-1 squeaky and slow mirror. Solving asthma or cough sounding shutter in A-series Canon cameras, including A1, AT1, AV1 and AE1. Let us start by seeing the initial condition. The mirror release is slow and has a very peculiar sound. This issue is a sign that the gears next to the mirror box need lubrication. The easiest way to do this is by removing the bottom lid. I will be using an imperceptible amount of sewing machine light oil delivered with a syringe in the right location. Note that in order to access the appropriate oiling location, you need to cock the shutter and remove the battery. Do not forget to remove the battery. The place where you have to insert the syringe is right next to the second curtain electromagnet. Please check the images carefully. You will know that the syringe is in the right place if it can stand firmly on its own. The amount of oil needed is near to nothing, so just barely move the plunger with a very light touch. It is easier to control if you have some air inside of the syringe. Never over-oil a camera, and by all means do not use a spray can of lubricant. This is a bonus picture, so you can see how similar it is in a Canon AT1. No perceptible difference. Once you have done the oiling, remove the syringe and put the battery inside. Fire the shutter 3 or 4 times, and the shutter sound should go back to normal, as well as the speed of the mirror release. Now that we are back with the Canon A-1, let us see and listen to the final result.